Okay, this is pretty simple. It's an app called Namebench. Basically, it's going to go out there and find the best DNS servers for you to use. And when you have a faster DNS server, your internet connection is going to seem like it's faster too. So you go to Downloads here, pick whatever you have, Mac, PC, get it installed. And once it's installed, you can go ahead and open it up here, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. But basically, what it's going to do is it's going to find the best DNS servers. Um, because sometimes when you go to a website, it seems like it's a little slow. It's probably because the DNS server is taking a while to respond. Because anytime you go to any website, Facebook, Google, YouTube, doesn't matter, um, it has to query a DNS server. And the DNS server basically tells your computer where on the internet that website is. So sometimes DNS servers are pretty slow. So when you query a DNS server, it takes a while to get back to you. But this app will go through. It does take quite a while. It took me about a half hour to run, but just leave it run, and then when it's done, it'll show you which DNS servers to use. So I'll let it run here for a little bit. I'll just fast forward through this and then talk more at the end. All right, this is almost done, so we'll just wait a second here for it to finish up. But when it's finished up, it's going to show you a report. It's going to open up in your web browser, and you'll be able to see how fast your DNS server is compared to all the other ones out there, or a lot of them out there. And then you can actually change your DNS server to match the fastest one. So we'll just wait a sec here, and the report should pop up. Right here it is. All right, so if you look, it says currently on my computer 0.2% faster, so they found a different server. It has a lot of analytics here and stuff, but really you can just ignore that and just scroll to the top of the list and use the top server as your DNS address. And if you're in Windows or on a Mac, it's pretty easy to just change that from your default address.